In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an invoice template in Zoho Books. Whether you're seeking a personalized touch for your business communications or need a format that better fits your company's style, altering the invoice template is a simple yet effective move. We'll go through this process step by step, ensuring that you can easily modify your invoice template to reflect your brand's unique identity in just a few moments. Let's begin at the main dashboard of Zoho Books. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find a range of options tailored to managing your various business workflows. For this particular task, you'll want to select Sales. Simply click on this tab to expand your choices. This will reveal several other options related to your sales operations, including estimates, sales orders, and, importantly, invoices. Select Invoices from this list to proceed. Once you're on the Invoices page, locate the option to create a new invoice. You'll spot a button labeled Plus New Invoice. Click on this to open a fresh invoice creation page. This is where you can either initiate a brand new invoice or edit an existing one to test out how the new template will appear. Now, focusing on the invoice creation or editing screen, you'll need to look towards the top right corner. Here you should see a gear icon. It's quite a universal symbol for settings or additional options in many software tools and is your gateway to customization in this context. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. A drop-down or pop-up menu will appear, offering you various configuration possibilities specific to your invoices. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled PDF Template. This section is vital because it's where you can determine how your invoices will look once they're generated and sent out to your clients. In this area, you'll see a Change button. Click on this to explore different template designs available in Zoho Books. A set of template options should now be visible on your screen. These templates are designed to cater to a variety of business needs and styles, ranging from minimalistic and clean layouts to more detailed and decorative designs. Hover your cursor over any template that catches your eye or aligns with your business image. As you hover, a Choose Template button will appear. This button allows you to select the template that you find most suitable for your needs. Click Choose Template to finalize your selection. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your invoice template in Zoho Books. This new template will now be the standard format for all future invoices, ensuring that your business documents align perfectly with your company's branding and preferences. Use this feature whenever you feel the need to refresh your invoice appearance or reflect new business branding initiatives. Thank you for watching, and happy invoicing!